Thai massage therapist's health. Practicing Thai massage is a type of physical work. A massage therapist should be strong and healthy, both in mind and body. Therapists should practice thinking positively, giving massages with good intention, exercising regularly, and also receiving massages regularly as well. By practice thinking positively, it means that try to put negative thinking outside of your mind before you enter into the massage room. The negatively, it could come from whatever that surround you, could be from what you carry it from your house or along the way from your house to your workplace, or even your life at your massage studio already. And sometimes the negative thing could come from everything around you. Sometimes your client could make you feel that way, that probably because of clients also have something that they carry from their house that they can't get rid from their mind, and then it's express it out in the way that they speak and such. But for yourself in this point, first thing, I would like you to try to think of others in the kindness way. So try to see that, okay, people are different, and even us, we are different as well. So try to understand that they probably have something in their mind, but what they need today right now is that they would like to get rid of those negative thinking or anything that bother them, and that one, it causes tension in their body. So in your position, you need to provide the best benefit to your client. So before you enter the massage room, I would like you to sit still or stand still and focus your mind about 30 seconds or to 1 minute. Put your mind together, clear everything else that could be bother your mind outside of your thinking, and then enter the massage room. And also, when you are giving a massage to your clients, think of that you would like your clients to get the best benefit today, and notice their body reaction, body gesture, or facial expression. And so by thinking this way, when the pressure the pressure that you give in your session will be the same level, and also the speed of the massage will be smooth and level as well. So in the opposite way, if you can focus on that, and so in that way your clients will feel it. Your clients can feel it from your hands, from the pressure level that you give in the session. It could be, sometimes it could be too hard or moving too fast, or sometimes could be too slow, or could be just massaging on the same area too longer than it's supposed to be. That's because of your mind is still thinking of something else. Right, so that is what you need to do for your clients and for yourself as well. And it is important that the massage therapists have strong body. Having strong body include being able to engage in physical work with your hands and your knees, to have to have healthy joints, and also to be able to sit on your knees and legs for extended period of time. Practicing strong hands. There are many methods to strengthen your hands and fingers. In Thailand, Thai massage teachers, they train their students to gain strength in their hands by practice that it is called floor lifting exercise. This floor lifting exercise means you can sit cross-legged in that position, and then use your fingers to press on floor, and then try to lift your body up above the floor. This is called floor lifting exercise. And other techniques to strengthening the hands or to practice strong hands include squeezing, pressing, kneading, and massaging the wax. That is in the traditional way, or you could do all of this technique, but instead of practicing on the wax, you could do that on the lemon or lime or clay if you like. But in the traditional way, they did that on the wax that has been practicing since hundreds of years. There are 5 steps to practice body mechanics for Thai massage therapists. Step 1. Always keep your back straight with an open chest and relax your shoulders. Step 2. Transfer your body weight through straight elbows, wrists, and fingers. Step 3. Use your legs and your hips to apply pressure on your arms and thumbs. Step 4. Bring your center of gravity up over the client when you need to increase the level. Step 5. Hold the position and pressure still for 5 to 10 seconds, and slowly releasing the pressure by gently relaxing your fingers. At that time, you're gonna lower your hips and your legs down, but keep your back and your arms straight. Practice Thai massage, bring health and healing to the community. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a healthy day. สวัสดีค่ะ